Hey guys, and welcome back to an all new Cold Culture automotive video. And you can't really tell this because the inside of our trucks are the same, but I made my dad's Powerboost today, and yes, it's going to be another Powerboost video coming to you, sort of. It's not Powerboost specific, but it is on the Powerboost build. I got some running boards, some awesome running boards for free from a company, Sunset Auto. Make sure you go check them out. You're going to see me unbox these. For my truck, after some consideration, I kind of realized that they're gonna look best on my dad's. They're basically the same running boards we already have, just they look more aggressive and are a little bit more grippy. My dad has those fender flares, so I figured that they're gonna look best on his truck than they are on mine. I want rock sliders on my truck, so eventually I'd have to take off these running boards and probably give them to my dad or brother anyway. Put them on my dad's truck. I think they'll look better here anyway. So let's get into the unboxing, and then I'll show you guys how to install them, and we'll see what they look like at the end. I'm actually very excited. It's my first product review where a company actually sent me the product completely free. That's super awesome. I feel like that's a huge milestone in my YouTube career, and I'm glad to be sharing it with you guys and going through it. So these would be the KYX running boards sent to me by Sunset Auto. They are an auto website that has parts for pretty much everything. They kind of specialize in headlights and running board and floor mats and stuff like that. Full transparency, they reached out to me, said, hey, why don't you take a look at our website, see what you'd be interested in. These are what I was interested in, so they said, hey, go ahead and send them out to you. Get a review on these bad boys. So that's what I'm gonna do here today. So you can see right here what they are. Let's see if I slide it over a little bit on the tailgate. So let's go ahead and start cracking these open and see what it's all about. These are packaged kind of really well. These look pretty good, Now the reason I chose these ones specifically is because they're similar to stock. They're very similar to kind of how the Raptor ones are, and how that they're flat and close to the truck. And they're gonna give me a little bit more protection than the plastic running boards are. So that's what kind of led me to these. All the other running boards are kind of low, and that would hurt my breakover angle. So that's why I didn't go with any of those. Whereas these are nice, metal, and I think they look kind of cool. So let me open them all the way up. All right, so these are the running boards. This is what they look like. Again, they're KYX running boards from Sunset Auto. I keep wanting to say Sunset Auto, but I think that's like the, you know, kind of catchy thing there. Right off the bat, they feel like they're pretty good quality. So now that we got them unboxed, let's go ahead and throw these bad boys on. Okay, so the first step to the install is gonna be taking these original running boards off the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Maybe I'll get under there with my phone and kind of show you guys what it looks like and what I'm using to take it off. And then I'll show you guys how to assemble them and install them. Okay, so it comes with all the hardware you need if you don't already have running boards on your truck. I do, that's why these bolts are all here. I went ahead and used the washers and the lock washers anyway, just to give it a little bit more stability. I don't think it's gonna hurt anything by me doing that. I'm using a, let's see if it'll show it, 13 millimeter. For everything that comes with the running boards, this is all you need, and to take off the big bolts for what's already on the truck. So it's only 6 bolts holding it on. I'm gonna get under there, I'm gonna take them off. Quality will dip down because I'll be using my phone to show you guys what it looks like underneath, and so audio will dip down as well if it's not already bad because the neighbors are doing something. But anyway, so let me get under there and show you what that looks like. Okay, so those are the 3 bolts that are on there. Something interesting down here is, at first look, I thought this was like mud. It's not, it's like insulation foam or something, overspray. You can tell like all the mud that's under here, I thought it was mud, but I don't know what that's there for. So if you know anything about this, let me know in the comments down below. Let's just go ahead and get these removed. One here, and then one down there. Get them removed and get this party started. All right, so I got them off on both the front and back, but keep note of these ones. You notice there's no bracket on these, it's just the 2. You're going to be utilizing this bracket right here. It's going to be held on by 3, a little bit more sturdy, and I definitely like that. So I wanted to show you guys the difference in the brackets here. Although the OEM ones look bigger, that doesn't necessarily mean they're better. They're actually lighter, much lighter than these new brackets are. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. I'll let you guys be the judge. These ones are, I don't know, guys. Can you tell how much thicker they are? They feel much thicker, but maybe they're not that much. I don't know. You have all 4 tie down points right there. Again, you're only going to use 3 because that's all the bolts that are there. But this is a universal kit, so I think it goes on all the way from 2015 to 2022. So that's pretty cool. and then the bolts just slide right here. I'll show you more about that later. But again, I just wanted to compare these two brackets. What do you guys think? OEM better or the new ones better? Okay, so there are these bolts and nuts and washers that are already all in here. They all slide along. Let me see if I can show you that real quick. They're all adjustable and slide along. I'll show you why that's important later. But when you just pull them out, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and line up your new bracket like that, and then go ahead and take those and run them right on through. So right now I just got them hand tightened. You're gonna want it like this farthest one. Make sure you're the bezel's on the outside. It's going to be on the left hand side or the driver's side of the truck. This is going to be all the way back, leaving you room like this. The reason that is, if you put this bracket all the way forward, you're not going to have much room to step. That's why they're going to go all the way back just like that. And I'm going to repeat this process for all three of them. Got the other one right there, all three of them. And then I'm going to get up under the truck and show you what to do next. Okay, so that's what the bracket looks like into the truck. And then that is what these are going to look like. We went through and measured. It's exactly 3 inches out on the whole width of the step on both sides, so it's all nice and even. Let's get on the outside, see how it looks. Alrighty, so that is what they look like when they are all on. We favored the back a little bit so that maybe you can even step there and reach into the bed of the truck, other than the front, because the front you're not going to be able to step right here for anything ever. Something that was kind of accidental here was these little kind of bolts or kind of machine look that's with these running boards matches my dad's rims perfectly. I also feel like it goes really well with the fender flares that we put on, and really gives it that kind of Batmobile truck look, kind of that he's going for. They're really good. They're a lot more sturdy than the ones that come OEM, that's for damn sure, and they're all metal, so I like that a lot. The OEM comes with 2 brackets like you saw. This comes with 3. Might even help you in a little bit of an accident if someone hits you. They're not rock sliders. They're not welded in or anything like that. I'm not a professional in that sense, so you know, take that with a grain of salt, but I do feel like it has a good amount of protection to the truck as well as functionality, and it looks cool. All right, Dad, what do you think?
I think they look pretty good. You know, just offsets it a little bit from the stock Ford ones, but you know, which I like those ones as well. I don't know if it's like a substantial difference of the look. I mean, I'll have to wait and see. I definitely like them, that's for sure.
Alrighty, so again, thank you so much to Sunset Auto. I'll have their link in the description down below. I really appreciate them reaching out and sending me these running boards. Dad, what do you think the best part of these are?
Best part is what everybody thinks the best part would be. They're free. I just want to say thank you to Sunset Auto.
We'll let you guys know how these stand up. These aren't Sunset Auto brand. These are just on their website that they send out to us. Again, I really appreciate them. You can check out their website through my link in the description and use my code at their website at checkout. Thank you guys again. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you like what you see here, please, please, please make sure you subscribe. It really, really helps me out. Helps out my old man too. Not really. Dad's got his own job. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.